Introducing inverter generator. 3800 watt RV ready portable inverter. Lightweight with a folding handle and wheels. Loosen the screw and remove the battery access cover. Remove the battery and connect with wires. Add oil to the inverter and inject gasoline. Turn the economy switch and the engine switch to the on position. Here are the 3 ways to start an inverter. Tap and hold on the engine start-stop button. Use the start button on the remote control. Pull the recoil starter grip until resistance is felt and then pull rapidly. Plug in your desired equipment when engine starts. After use, long press the engine start-stop button or use the off button of the remote control to turn off the machine. Turn the engine switch to the off position. If the machine cannot start, please follow the instructions as follows.